What is up, traders? Stan Gluzman here, bringing to you today's trader takeaways. So let's take a look at what's been happening today, what we traded at, what we looked at. Today was a pretty low volume and low volatility day. Looking at SPYs, we only traded under 50 million shares, just like yesterday, even less, and also kind of sideways, a little bit down, but for the most part, pretty choppy price action. So we concentrated on blockchains, just like we have been for the past month or so. First stock was TEUM. They had news yesterday, and today it gapped up and sold off pretty nicely. So we opened up into this beautiful spike over under VWAP, and it couldn't hold it. Unfortunately, we didn't have any borrow, so me being the stubborn trader that I am, I went long. I couldn't find borrow, so I started buying it into this consolidation, and of course that was a beautiful dump, and it took a loss. So we only got borrow, I think, when 11 or 10:30 or 11 a.m. So I was looking for an opportunity to get short. When I saw this double top near the VWAP, I started scaling in and made my money back on the backside here. And then there was another beautiful setup right here. Um, break of this base. Actually, let me try to draw a line here. Break of this base right here. I started scaling in, and then I added on this consolidation and covered into this massive wash. So that was a pretty decent trade on the short side, and ended green on the stock. Started off pretty bad, but ended green. Next stock was DPW. This is probably my best stock of the month. Um, I was scaling in on the short side in the morning, just like I did yesterday. At the open, when it dumped and then rallied, tried to break over the VWAP, couldn't hold, went sideways. Perfect opportunity, A plus setup. This is the setup that I look for every day, especially in pretty much my favorite stock of the month. I sized in here, risking, I believe 38 was my stop. So I was risking literally 3 or 4 cents, and I took the profits. I believe 413 or 412 was my last cover. When it started going sideways, I didn't want to participate in the sideways action. Normally I would, but given that yesterday's price action, when it did the same exact thing, it dropped, went sideways, and then absorbed and started rallying, and I got squeezed out. I did not want to see that again, so I covered and obviously dropped another 20 cents or so. But oh well, it was a really good risk reward trade, so I don't regret it. The next stock was OTIV. This one I was shorting pops, covering washouts pretty much all day until it I was like, okay, it's forming a base. It's retesting it 1, 2, 3, 4 times already. I'm like, it's probably going to go up and squeeze. Every time it goes sideways, it just absorbs and squeezes. So I literally covered right before it dumped. So bad luck on my part on the covers, but still a green trade. LBTR, LTBR rather. LTBR, I was just watching it. I was waiting for an opportunity to size in either on the long side or on the short side, and then I saw this beautiful setup below VWAP right here. Formed the base, couldn't break out of the VWAP. The offers were pretty heavy. The bids were getting slammed, and I started scaling in, and then I hit 80 and 79, washed, covered into this big wash, reshort the pop, cover into the wash. Every pop was a reshort from there. And this was actually, I think this today was my best performer of the day. Beautiful level 2. Everything was really clean. The offers were getting stacked. The bids were getting whacked, and you can join the trend on the downside. So really nice price action. I know Mike Katz was holding it from somewhere here, and he was holding it pretty much all day. I took a more scalp approach to trading this name. TEUM, I think I spoke about this one. Yeah, and yeah, that's pretty much my day. Low volume, low volatility, but if you concentrate on, you know, 2, 3 names, you can definitely make good money in this environment. So thank you guys for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe for more great content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.